Hi guys, welcome to today's video. If you're new here, my name is Tiana, and if you're returning, it is so nice to see you again. I am so excited because today is going to be my project pan update for February, and we're going to be rolling something new in for March. Now, spoiler alert, I did not finish anything in February, but I'm very close, and I just feel like because I am really close to hitting my goals or finishing a product, I might as well roll in a new product to work on throughout the month rather than just waiting for April. Yeah, April. So anyway, I do pan those polishes and I also do makeup project panning. So if you enjoy those videos, make sure to hit subscribe. And without further ado, let's just get right into the updates. I am so excited to film this video. I'm actually filming it a day early. I'm going to work tomorrow, so I know I'm not going to be wearing any makeup. Today is the last day I'm going to be wearing makeup, so all of my numbers would be the same today or tomorrow. So let's crack open my notebook and see how I did for the month of February. And for a shorter month, I feel like I did really good. So let's start off with the e.l.f. matte setting powder. This is a product I really want to finish. The only reason I want to finish it is because I have a second setting powder in my collection, and these two have been in my makeup collection for over a year. So I would just like to work on them both this year and get them out and then just buy one brand new one. I would like to have one loose one and one pressed one. So that's kind of my goal. But this setting powder honestly is amazing. I would really love to try the Halo Glow one. For the amount of money this is, it lasts forever. So I took the actual what do you call it? It's not a stopper, but there's like not a net, but I think you know what I'm talking about. But I took that out because the sifter, I think so, but I wasn't able to get the product out of the jar anymore. I can't really make a line anymore, so we're literally at the bottom of it. Now, I do still have usage left in it. Like, I can't just call it empty because there is powder in here, and if I use it just for setting my under eyes, it would probably take me the rest of the month. However, I have been using it as a dry shampoo, which is an amazing tip and hack, and I really want to do a video where I show you guys and tell you guys about using it as a dry shampoo. Rebecca Morgan actually commented on my video giving me the tip, and I love it, and I've seen a few other YouTubers talk about it, and I feel like it is a really good way to use your setting powder a little bit faster. So that has really given me a lot more usage. I used it twice as a dry shampoo in the month of February, and then I used it 9 times as a setting powder in February. This here I love, I enjoy. I would just love to finish it so I can go on to my next setting powder. So this is gonna stay in here, but I have a feeling it's going to be done in the next week or two. So that's kind of why I want to roll in one new product. The next item I want to talk about is the Emerit Blush, and this blush here is what I'm wearing today. I feel like it has taken me a while to figure out this blush, but I finally did figure this blush out. You need to pack a lot on. What I do now is I go 1, 2, back up, and then I will take a brush and kind of stipple it into the skin, kind of swirl it, but not too much, just enough to kind of get it blended, and then you want to stop, because if you pat too much, if you swirl too much, if you use a sponge, this will come off, the color will go. It's very light and very sheer, but if you want it to look like you're wearing a blush on the skin, you have to put a lot and basically just barely blend it. So that's what I've been doing. And it's been working really well. What I want to know is I want to know if I can get over 33 uses of this blush for it to be worth the price. That's what I want to know. So I have used it 8 times in the month of February, and every single time I reach for it, it feels like it's just getting lighter and lighter, and you can tell the dome is going down, and in certain spots, it's not as round. So I'm really curious to see, once the dome is gone, if there's any in here or if that's it. This here, I have a feeling is going to be in here for the long run, but I really just want to know if this is going to be worth the money. I think it would be cool if it had like a weighted bottom. I got their lipsticks in and I love them. I'm going to be doing a video soon, but I got their lipsticks in and I truly, truly love them because there is a little bit of weight to the packaging, where this I find is kind of top heavy and not bottom heavy. Let's just keep it simple. Project Pan update. This is going well. I have a feeling this is going to be in here for quite a few months, but we'll see. The next item is the Nars Laguna bronzer. This here has a usage goal of 20 times in the project. It's not going to look like there's a ton of usage because it was brand new when I started it, and 20 uses really isn't going to be enough for me to make like a dip in it, especially because when I use it, I don't use a lot and I'm using a fluffy brush. It's not like I'm using an eyeshadow brush where there's going to be like one, you know, concentrated space. It's like the whole thing is being used. So I'm so happy to say I only have 5 more uses left on this. This is my second product that is like so close to being done for usage goal. That is why I want to roll in one new product, because I know this is going to be done early March, because I can use it as bronzer, that would count as use, and then if I use it as eyeshadow, that would count as another use, and then I just have like 3 more times after that. So this here, I'm really happy that I was able to roll it in. It was a newer product, so I'm not really looking to like hit pan or finish it because it was like brand new, but I am happy that I have almost 20 uses on it, and next month I can't wait to roll it out. The next product was the Going Coconuts palette, which I am like so excited about. I'm so happy that it was in here for the month of February, so I have good usage on this. I did use this in the past, but I wasn't sure if I used every single color, where now I know I have used every single shade because I've been using this a lot, and I only need to use this 15 more times before rolling it out. So in the month of February, I used it 8 times, and I'm so happy that I was able to use it 8 times. The usage goal was 23 times, so I am getting there. And I also used my single eyeshadow from Zoo Essence 8 times. There's nothing here, but 8 times. Again, you're not going to see a lot of progress in here because this was also like brand new, but I'm so happy that I was able to use these both 8 times. I used them both together every time I did my makeup. I always use them. Even today, I was able to use them, and I incorporated another palette. So these have been really, really fun to work with. I have a feeling they're going to be in here for another 3 months, but you never know. February is a shorter month, so maybe I'll be able to use them a little bit more than I did in February, but as of right now, I think they're going to be in here for 3 months until I hit the usage goal, but you never know. But I'm really excited because that means I am currently using my eyeshadows, and I would love to, like, it would be so cool if I'd be able to like hit pan, but I don't think I will, because I don't think I'll be able to hit pan, but it is really, really fun to see the progress of the eyeshadows compared to when I first started to now, and it's going to be fun to see in like a month or two the other difference. So these two are going to stay in here because I do need to use them each 15 more times, but I have a feeling in about 3 months I'll be able to roll them out. If you're new here, all of my makeup items are in the Tiny Decisions app, and I just randomly pick an item. My makeup collection is really small. It's under 50 items, so I just feel like randomly picking an item is more fun, and it kind of gets me out of my comfort zone a little rather than just sticking to like the same products that I use all the time. So let's go ahead and randomize a product to work on in March. I'm so excited. That is so exciting. Oh my goodness. I can't believe this. Okay. I can't believe this. I can't believe this. This is insane to me. Like, I can't believe the app picked this item. I just can't. Like, I can't right now. Okay, I have been really wanting to finish a lip product. I have been really wanting to pull this item, and it is starting. It's starting. It isn't expired yet. It's not bad yet, but it is starting to slowly change its scent. So I really, 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 really wanted to work on this in my Project Pan, And I can't believe out of everything, this is what the app chose. It chose the Huda Beauty First Kiss lipstick, and I can't believe it because I told myself this is what I wanted the app to choose. If the app didn't choose this, I would have been using this like unofficially outside of the project pan. Like, I really do want to finish it because the scent is starting to go a little bit. It used to smell, I don't know how to explain it. I don't want to say like a vanilla, but here is the shade. The color is still nice. The formula is still nice, but I can tell that it is starting to change. I'm honestly going to keep it in here until I finish it or until it's not working for me. As in, if I use it as a cream blush, if it starts to break me out, if the formula just goes really bad and it smells bad or it tastes bad, I'm going to keep it in here until the formula goes bad or until I finish it. I'm saying this now. I'm not going to dig down. I'm just going to work until it is flat. That's my goal. But as you can see, it is starting to get a little bit dry. But I am so shocked that this is what it is. So I'm so excited. I can't wait to work on this. And I have used this many times in the past. And this has been in many project pans. So if this does happen to go bad in like a month or two, yes, it is like a full-size lip product that I wasn't able to finish, and there was still a lot of product left on it, but I know that I did get usage on it. I know that it's been in project pans last year, and I used it this year, and I did use it the year before that, so I know that it has had use, and I know that I have enjoyed it, and I have loved it. So if it happens to go bad, it goes bad, but I can't believe that I can focus on this in my project pan. So that is going to wrap everything up for my project pan for February, and that's going to roll us into March. I am very excited for March because I have a feeling I am going to be able to finish those 2 products to roll them out, and then for April we can bring in some new products. So wish me luck. If you are doing a project pan, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to watch, and I'll see you all in my next one really, really soon. Bye.